Welcome to my channel, Old Coin Quarter Dollar, where history lives in your hands. If you're passionate about rare coins, vintage currency, and the fascinating stories behind them, you're in the right place. Don't forget to watch the full video, share it with your fellow collectors, like and subscribe to stay updated with more valuable content every week. So let's get the 2006 Canadian 5-cent coin with the Elizabeth II D times G times Regina is a small but meaningful piece of Canadian numismatic history. While its face value is modest, this coin represents a continuity of Canada's traditions, the long reign of Queen Elizabeth II, and a period of technological transition for the Royal Canadian Mint. The 2006 nickel is part of a series that has been minted since 1922, and its designs, both on the obverse and reverse, tell stories that connect Canada's past with its present. The coin is not only a circulating medium of exchange, but also a miniature canvas that reflects Canada's heritage, monarchy, industry, and natural identity. On the obverse front of the 2006 5-cent coin, we see the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, created by Canadian artist Susanna Blunt. This effigy was introduced in 2003 and remained in use until the end of Elizabeth II's reign in 2022. What makes this portrait distinct is its departure from tradition. Unlike the three previous portraits that show the Queen wearing a crown or tiara, Blunt's design presents Elizabeth II without regal adornments. She faces right, her features softened yet dignified, with a natural and approachable look. The choice to depict the Queen without a crown was deliberate, intended to modernize her image and reflect her humanity as well as her role as monarch. Surrounding the portrait is a legend Elizabeth II D times G times Regina, which translates from Latin as Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen. This inscription ties the coin to Canada's constitutional monarchy and reaffirms its Commonwealth heritage. The combination of Blunt's modern effigy with the traditional inscription symbolizes Canada's balance between honoring its history and adapting to contemporary sensibilities. The reverse back of the coin features the enduring and iconic beaver design, first engraved by G. Crubegray in 1937. The image shows a beaver perched on a rock in the middle of a stream, with rippling water surrounding it. Above the beaver appears the country's name, Canada, while below the animal is a denomination 5 cents, and at the bottom is a year of issue, 2006. On some 2006 strikes, the Royal Canadian Mint's maple leaf logo is also present, serving as a mint mark. The beaver itself is one of Canada's most recognizable national symbols. Historically, it played a central role in the fur trade that drove much of Canada's early economy, linking Indigenous peoples, European settlers, and international markets. Over time, the beaver came to embody qualities such as hard work, perseverance, and industriousness, values that Canadians often identify with their national character. The fact that this design has been retained for nearly 90 years speaks to its effectiveness as a national emblem and its deep connection to Canadian identity. From a technical and metallurgical perspective, the 2006 5-cent coin is particularly significant. It was a transitional year in composition, meaning that two different types of nickels were produced. Some were struck from 99.9% pure nickel, while others were made using the Mint's newer multiply-plated steel technology, a composition consisting of 94.5% steel, 3.5% copper plating, and 2% nickel plating. Both versions weigh 3.95 grams, measure 21.2 millimeters in diameter, and have a smooth edge, but their metallic cores are different. The pure nickel version reflects Canada's long history as a major nickel producer, particularly from the mines in Sudbury, Ontario. The plated steel version reflects the Mint's shift toward cost efficiency and advanced technology, as multiply plating reduces production costs and enhances resistance to wear and counterfeiting. Because both types were minted in 2006, collectors today can distinguish them by their magnetic properties. Pure nickel and plated steel both react to magnets, but their behavior differs slightly, and in some cases by careful examination of strike characteristics. The historical context of 2006 adds another layer of meaning to this coin. At this point, Queen Elizabeth II had reigned for more than 50 years, making her a symbol of stability and continuity. Her updated effigy by Susanna Blunt gave her a contemporary presence that resonated with modern Canadians while maintaining her authority as head of state. Canada itself was a nation balancing tradition and innovation in the early 21st century, strengthening its multicultural identity, advancing technologically, and facing global economic challenges. The 2006 nickel reflects this balance perfectly, a monarch tied to centuries of history shown in a new way, and a national symbol, the beaver, paired with advanced minting methods that pointed toward the future. From a numismatic standpoint, the 2006 Canadian 5-cent coin is generally common, as millions were struck for circulation. Circulated examples are worth their face value of 5 cents, but uncirculated, proof-like, or specimen versions, especially those included in collector sets produced by the Royal Canadian Mint, hold higher value. These special versions are distinguished by sharper details, mirror-like fields, and frosted designs, highlighting the artistry of both the Queen's portrait and the beaver design. What makes 2006 stand out for collectors is the existence of both pure nickel and plated steel versions, giving hobbyists an opportunity to explore varieties within a single year. This dual composition is not common across all Canadian coinage and makes 2006 a point of interest for numismatists who enjoy studying minting history and metallurgical changes. Symbolically, the 2006 Canadian 5-cent coin brings together multiple strands of Canadian identity. On one side, the obverse with Queen Elizabeth II represents Canada's ties to the crown and its place within the Commonwealth. By presenting the Queen without a crown, the design projects a more personal and accessible image of the monarch, in tune with the values of modern Canadians. On the other side, the reverse with the beaver emphasizes Canada's natural heritage, economic history, and cultural symbolism rooted in resilience and industry. Together, the two designs express Canada's balance between monarchy and democracy, past and present, tradition and innovation. Although it is a small denomination, the 2006 Canadian 5-cent coin is far more than a piece of pocket change. It is a representation of national identity, an artifact of numismatic evolution, and a reflection of Canada at the beginning of the 21st century. To the average Canadian in 2006, it may have been just a nickel used in daily transactions, but to collectors and historians, it tells a much deeper story of a queen's legacy, a nation's heritage, and a mint's innovations. The 2009 Canadian 5-cent coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II with the inscription Elizabeth II Dea G. Regina is part of Canada's long-running nickel series that has been struck since 1922 and remains one of the most recognized small-denomination coins in Canadian currency. This coin, though modest in value, carries with it an extensive story that blends history, artistry, metallurgy, and the enduring symbolism of Canada's monarchy and natural heritage. On the obverse of the 2009 5-cent piece, we see the familiar right-facing effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, which has been a defining feature on Canadian coinage for decades. The portrait used in 2009 was designed by Canadian artist Susanna Blunt, first introduced in 2003, and has remained in use ever since. Unlike earlier portraits of the Queen, which were more formal and regal, Blunt's effigy shows Elizabeth II without a crown, presenting her in a more natural and approachable manner. Around the effigy runs the legend Elizabeth II Dea G. Regina, which is Latin for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen. This inscription underscores both the Queen's divine right to rule and Canada's constitutional ties to the monarchy as part of the Commonwealth realm. The design balances tradition and modernity, presenting the monarch respectfully while also updating the imagery for the 21st century. On the reverse, the coin features the iconic beaver design created by G. Krubegray in 1937. The beaver, shown perched on a rock with water flowing around it, has long been a symbol of Canadian industry, resilience, and the fur trade that shaped much of the nation's early economic history. The word Canada appears at the top of the reverse. The denomination 5 cent is shown prominently, and the year of issue 2009 is inscribed at the bottom. The beaver has been deeply tied to Canada's identity, not only as a country's official national animal, but also as a representation of hard work, industriousness, and perseverance. This imagery has become so iconic that it is instantly associated with Canadian coinage, and despite nearly a century of use, the design has remained largely unchanged, making it one of the longest-lasting coin motifs in the modern world. From a metallurgical perspective, the 2009 Canadian 5-cent coin is made primarily of steel with a composition of 94.5% steel, 3.5% copper plating, and 2% nickel plating. Earlier Canadian nickels were originally struck in 100% nickel, and for a period even in tarmac or chrome-plated steel during wartime years. But beginning in the year 2000, the Royal Canadian Mint transitioned to multiply-plated steel technology. This change was motivated by both cost-saving measures and a push toward innovative anti-counterfeiting measures, as plated steel is cheaper to produce and more difficult to forge convincingly. The coin has a weight of 3.95 grams, a diameter of 21.2 millimeters, and a thickness of approximately 1.76 millimeters, with a smooth edge. These specifications have been consistent for modern 5-cent pieces and contribute to the coin's familiarity in circulation. The 2009 issue did not carry any special commemorative design, but it belongs to the broader history of the nickel during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II, who by 2009 had already been featured on Canadian coinage for more than 5 decades. This was also a year when the Royal Canadian Mint continued to showcase its technical achievements in coin production, particularly its capacity for multiply plating and environmentally conscious minting practices. Millions of these coins were struck for circulation, meaning they are common in everyday use, though high-grade uncirculated or proved versions are available in collector sets produced by the Mint. Such numismatic issues often come in pristine condition with brilliant finishes, appealing to collectors who seek not just the design but also the artistry of minting quality. In terms of cultural significance, the 2009 Canadian 5-cent coin bridges multiple layers of Canadian identity. On one side, it connects to Canada's constitutional monarchy through the dignified image of Queen Elizabeth II, reinforcing the nation's continuity with British traditions while still projecting a uniquely Canadian identity. On the other side, the beaver underscores Canada's ties to its natural environment, resource-based economy, and national symbols rooted in wilderness and survival. Together, the obverse and reverse designs encapsulate the dual heritage of Canada, loyalty to the crown and pride in the land's natural strength and resilience. Collectors often note that while individual 2009 nickels are not rare in circulation, condition plays a large role in value. Circulated examples are worth their face value of 5 cents, but coins in uncirculated or proof condition can hold a modest premium, especially when preserved in original mint packaging. Over time, these coins also serve as historical markers, reflecting not only the year they were struck but also the ongoing story of Canadian coinage in the 21st century. The 2009 issue stands as part of Queen Elizabeth II's long numismatic legacy, one that spanned from her coronation in 1952 until her passing in 2022, making her the most depicted monarch in Canadian history. The 1979 Canadian 5-cent coin featuring the inscription Elizabeth II Dia Gia Regina is an important piece of Canada's numismatic history, as it belongs to the long-running series of nickels that have been minted since 1922. The 5-cent denomination has always held a distinctive place in Canadian coinage, not only because of its practical use in daily commerce, but also because of its iconic reverse design featuring the industrious beaver, an animal symbolizing Canada's natural heritage, economic history, and cultural identity. The 1979 issue reflects both the artistic traditions of Canadian coin design and the broader context of Queen Elizabeth II's reign, as well as the metallurgical and technological aspects of coin production at the time. On the obverse front of the coin, the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II dominates the design. The portrait used in 1979 was created by Arnold Machin, a distinguished British sculptor, whose effigy had been adopted for Canadian coinage beginning in 1965. This portrait depicts a youthful queen, crowned with a tiara of George IV's state diadem, facing to the right. The tiara is highly detailed, showing floral and scroll patterns, and it projects an image of regal authority, refinement, and dignity. Around the portrait runs the inscription Elizabeth II Dia Gia Regina, which is a Latin abbreviation for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen. This formula has long been a standard feature on Commonwealth coinage, linking the monarch's authority to divine right and emphasizing Canada's constitutional ties to the crown. The Machin portrait is noted for its elegance and soft realism, presenting the Queen in a formal yet approachable way, and it remained a defining feature of Canadian coins until 1989. The reverse back of the 1979 Canadian 5-cent coin carries the legendary beaver design, originally engraved by G. Krugergray in 1937. The imagery is powerful in its simplicity. A beaver, perched on a log or rock, sits calmly at the center, with rippling water surrounding it. Above the beaver is the word Canada, denoting the nation of issue. Below the image is a denomination 5 cents, and at the bottom is the date 1979. The design also contains subtle details such as reeds, ripples, and the texture of the beaver's fur, all of which add depth to the scene. The beaver has long been symbolic of Canada due to its historical role in the fur trade, which helped shape the country's early economy and settlement patterns. More broadly, the animal embodies the qualities of industriousness, resilience, and perseverance, values that Canadians have often identified with on both a cultural and national level. Kruger Gray's beaver has become one of the most enduring reverse designs in Canadian numismatics, appearing consistently for over 8 decades and standing as a true national emblem. From a metallurgical and technical standpoint, the 1979 Canadian 5-cent coin is particularly interesting because it was struck from 100% nickel. This makes it heavier and more magnetic than modern versions, which after the year 2000 shifted to multiply-plated steel. The 1979 nickel has a diameter of 21.2 millimeters, a weight of 4.54 grams, and a thickness of approximately 1.7 millimeters, with a smooth edge. This pure nickel composition was a hallmark of Canadian coinage during the mid-20th century, as Canada was one of the few countries rich enough in natural nickel deposits, primarily in Sudbury, Ontario, to produce its small denomination coins entirely from this valuable metal. Nickel coins of this period are notable for their durability, bright silvery appearance, and the way they resist corrosion even decades after circulation. These qualities make surviving examples from 1979 relatively common in good condition, though many may show signs of wear due to their decades of use in daily commerce. The historical context of 1979 also contributes to the story of this coin. Canada in the late 1970s was navigating a period of economic challenges, including inflation, energy crises, and debates over national unity, especially with growing Quebec nationalism. Despite these issues, Canadian coinage maintained a sense of continuity, reflecting both stability and tradition. The choice to keep the beaver design untouched, and the continued use of Machen's portrait of Elizabeth II, symbolize the endurance of Canadian institutions. This was also during a period in which the Royal Canadian Mint was transitioning into more advanced technology and expanding its role as a world leader in minting. Although the 1979 nickel itself was a circulation issue, the Mint was also producing proof-like sets and special editions for collectors, thereby giving ordinary coins like this one a parallel life in numismatics beyond the pocket and cash register. From a numismatic perspective, the 1979 Canadian 5-cent coin is generally considered common. Tens of millions were struck for circulation, making it easy to obtain for collectors. Its face value remains 5 cents in commerce, though pristine examples in uncirculated condition, particularly those graded by third-party services, can command modest premiums. Coins preserved in proof-like sets from the Royal Canadian Mint may display mirror-like fields and sharp details, making them more desirable to collectors who value beauty as much as rarity. For hobbyists, the 1979 issue also represents a classic mid-period nickel, struck in pure nickel and featuring the tiara portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, marking it as distinct from both earlier post-war varieties and the modern plated issues of the 21st century. Symbolically, the 1979 nickel demonstrates how Canadian coins serve as miniature canvases of national identity. On one side, the Queen connects Canada to centuries of monarchical tradition, providing a sense of historical continuity within the framework of the Commonwealth. On the other side, the beaver speaks to the uniquely Canadian landscape, economy, and spirit of perseverance. Together, these two designs, front and back, embody the dual heritage of Canada as both a modern independent nation and a country still tied to its British roots. For ordinary Canadians in 1979, this coin may have passed quickly through their hands without much thought, but in hindsight, it is a snapshot of a particular moment in Canadian monetary and cultural history.